Why do some people snore? Ever slept next to someone who sounded like a motorbike revving up? That's snoring. But why do some people snore while others sleep like peaceful ninjas? Let's find out. It's all about airflow. When the tissues in our throat relax too much, or our tongue decides to take a nap in the wrong spot, the result is vibrating air. And voila, snoring. Factors like sleeping on your back, weight, or even allergies can crank up the volume. Snoring might seem funny, but it could signal sleep apnea or other health concerns. Take it seriously, even if it sounds hilarious. Leave and like, share, and subscribe.